First, you need to understand what's the environment holds or available. Like, is there mountain or water or open park or garden, in your nearby vicinity? Are they well located and aligned into your property? Whether the building is able to connect to its environment and use its energy, as the building is like a container of qi, like a Tupperware, and in order to benefit from the energy or qi gathered in the environment, it needs to be contained and circulate within the building or property. And there's a saying in Feng Shui, 氣成風散, which means qi can be dispersed by the wind. So we need to have a house that, if you have a house that can invite strong wind into its living environment or premises, it feel very windy, then the quality of Feng Shui of that home is not good because qi cannot contain. So next is about the people factor. We need to assign the right people to the right property, and not all people can benefit the potential of the living space of the property for their life ambition. As Feng Shui varies with time, as a Chinese saying, Feng Shui long lao jun, what good today may not be good forever, and what's bad currently may not be bad forever too. So make sure it's timing so that people can enjoy the prosperity of the energy now and not years later. So these are the 4 factors of real Feng Shui, and I want to emphasize that the environment play an important role among the 4 factors, as 70% of the Feng Shui is contributed by the environment. As mentioned earlier, the Feng Shui formula will not work if the forms or environment does not provide. So many people will say that they don't believe in Feng Shui, and they're still doing well with their career, with their health, or with their relationship. Perhaps they are living in a good environment that support their life ambition.